management system. It is built using Laravel following the MVC architecture. The project implements full CRUD functionality like create, read, update, and delete student record with validation and pagination. So I will show you the functionality. And if you are new to this, you should know that the project is not Laravel from CRUD. If you want to learn that, there are a couple of videos on YouTube you can find. So I have started already my SAMP controller, and now. And also my artisan server also. So this is our main page. This is our main page here. Here we can add the student, and the records are shown here with edit pagination that allows 5-page page. And now that I can show you the routes. We come here in web.php. Here we have created our routes. This is the route that it gives us all the functionality, and it automatically creates all CRUD routes following the RESTful conventions. So now we're going to student route controller, and here I can show you this is our index function. This is the code. It fetches all student data from Eloquent RAM, and the pagination limits records per page and improves performance. The data is then passed to the index view. So for the index file, this is the blade file that we are using. So this is the code that we have written. As you can see, instead of adding CSS in our code, we have simply used layouts, and here in layouts we have added JavaScript, and it has made it easy for us. Though all these classes you are seeing, this is JavaScript. So in this file, the index file, this is all the code which is actually the main page, this page, and all the links and shows for this page. It loops through the data, and it displays our Laravel automatically, and it generates the pagination links also. So then for creating student, here we have added a button, add new student. So we come here and we simply write any name. Here I am. So we write Hamza. And simply for the email, we are writing Hamza @gmail.com. And any random, phone number. So we save the student, and you can see the student is saved successfully. And we have 3 different options here. We have delete, edit, and view. If we go to view, it shows us records of Hamza in a card. And here we can also edit it, or we can simply, go back. This page will only allow 5 students per page, and we have also edit. Like if simply we take Hamza Mwila. And here we write the same email. Also change the phone number. But this student won't be saved. It will continue to this page. This is because we have added validation in our page. So as we have created a student, I can show you in the student controller. This is the code. This is the code for student.create. This creates and this is the code to store that data. And here you can see we have validate, edit, validation. These validations make the name required. So without adding the name, we can't do anything. We can't move further. Without the email, and email must be unique. So when we use the same email, it makes us go back. And phone is also, required. So then we continue to the model. We have made a model, student wrote PHP here. We have already added fillable here. The fillable adds name, email, and phone. And the fillable protects against mass assignment vulnerabilities where they are needed. So as you can see here, we can also view a single student. So for this, we have added a code here, show.blade.php. This is the code. It shows the student's name is the email, his phone number, and also shows us the edit button and the back button, as you can see here. Also, in the student.controller, we have added that code for that. This is the code for, showing the student. Then, in our updating or editing the functionality, this is the code for editing. This is the code, and also when you update it again via show, you can't bypass it. Like here, if I edit it and change it to Hamza Billas, as you can see, this change is reflected in our database. And here validation is also added here, and we can also delete that. So if I simply press this delete, this functionality, the interactivity, we have used the script for that. So if I delete it, this is deleted. In the student.controller, here is the function for deleting a student. Stroganda destroy. And as we talked earlier, this is a Laravel based function, and it is based on MVC architecture. .mvc stands for model viewer controller. Here we can see these model, the student PHP model. Here is the controller, student controller.php. And here are the views, create.play, PHP edit, index, and show.play.php. So for the last, if I can show you the pagination, you can see for the sake of saving time, I have added 6 students in our database. And, 5 students are limited to here. And then we use the button next. And the last student is here. And it gives us the buttons as well as the arrows. So we can go back and forth. And also, if I can go through you with that validation, we added the name and the phone number and, nothing. So we have to add the code also, all the fields that required. So this is all for that project. You can use this project for it was a demo, and you can use it for your submissions of final year projects, and you can also enhance it and get it to some real world use.